You guys, the sneaker that we're talking about today is one that I absolutely think is going to sit for a very, very long time. It is one that I absolutely don't need in my collection, but I'm able to give you guys an under retail steal today. Always remember, you guys, chase your dreams, because if you don't, one day somebody's going to hire you to help chase theirs. And of course, you guys never stop dreaming, because a life without dreams isn't really much. Let's go ahead, let's get into this video.
Yeah, he got kicks. Ball like swish. I don't miss. Don't do bricks. He got kicks. The kid is sick. Team with Rob, cause he got hits. He got kicks.
What is up, YouTube? I'm Hegotkickz. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, that we get all the notifications every time I drop on these bangers for you guys. Hit the like button, hit the share button, do all those great things for me. Follow me on Instagram at @TheRealHegotkickz, and of course the hat page Perfect Brims, and TikTok Hegotkickz95. And make sure you guys are checking out the tech channel at Tech with Forrest. You guys, today's video, I want to give a major shout out to my guy Uber Sneaks. We have a sneaker that is going to be releasing, it looks like July 25th, and it is a shoe that, for me personally, I'm gonna pass on. Not one that I need in my collection at all. Again, that's kind of rare for me to say for the silhouette that it is, but I just don't think it's one I need. I don't want to spend $230 on the shoe, and then after tax it's $250. I'm good off that. But he is making this sneaker available to you guys for under retail. If you guys want this sneaker, hit me up on Instagram at @TheRealHegotkickz. That way I can get it out to you guys as soon as possible. But you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead, let's get into this shoe. All right, you guys, as you guys can see, you do got the Jumpman, you do got the Flight on there, and again, it looks a little cartoony and everything on the front, but we are going to read this off like normal. This is the Air Jordan 4 Retro in the off-white, fire pink, and anthracite official colorway. Style number is JA1135. Color code is 100. This is a size 9, you guys. Once again, if you're a size 9, hit me up. I got you for under retail. Shout out to my guy Uber Sneaks once again. On the count of 3, we're going to open this up together. 1, and it does come with stickers and everything for you guys to want to give to your kids or whatever. This right here is definitely nice to keep them occupied for a minute. But we got 2 and 3, and here you guys have it. The Air Jordan 4 comic really looks like a comic book page, honestly. But now the Nike Air, I think that's kind of cool how that looks on the back. I know a lot of people are going to enjoy having that Nike Air, but when I tell you, the leather right here on the front is extremely soft. Now this netting is translucent, y'all know that will start to yellow over time. Even right here where you have the Jumpman and the Flight on the tongue, it kind of looks like there's something in the background as well. And again, I like whenever they do things like this. This is just not something for me. Again, right here on the top of the wing, the lace eyelet right here, it looks like whenever, you know, on the comic book they go like pow, and that's exactly what that looks like. You do of course have red lace eyelets here at the bottom. There's a lot going on with this shoe, like a whole lot. Even the Air Jordan that is on the back kind of looks like comic book writing as well. The insole, I'm kind of curious. Oh, it's just a black insole with the same Nike Air that it has right here on the back. Again, it's nice. I will say that it definitely is nice. The quality is extremely nice. I'm not seeing too many quality control issues as well, but just not a must cop for me. I'm gonna pull out the other sneaker really quick for you guys so you all can see this as well, because I'm curious if there's anything. Okay, so it does come with a set of extra laces. Comes with, it looks like yellow is what it looks like from here. Yeah, a set of yellow laces. Not bad adding that in there, but for a retail price of $230, I just don't see this at all. Even though, yes, the quality is extremely nice, I'll give that to them. As you guys can see, the bottom itself is gray with a little bit of red, pink, and black. Again, or I guess anthracite. I guess that would be anthracite. But just for me, honestly, even though, yes, it's a Jordan 4, y'all know I love me some Jordan 4s, this is a pass. This is a Magic Johnson no-look pass, exactly what it's going to be. $230. Now, on StockX right now, they are going for $245 in this size. That is the lowest ask, but you guys already know how it's going to go. July 25th, the release date. The closer it gets to that release date, the lower these are going to be, I do believe. But again, if this is a sneaker that you guys want early, I can give it to you guys under retail already. So that's what we're going to try to do. get it to you guys extremely cheap, get it to you guys extremely fast. Not for me though, just not for me. Again, it's gonna be kind of cool, like if you put it with the right fit and everything like that, the colors and stuff are gonna pop. Again, I really like the Nike Air. I like how that looks. It's a little different, something different. I love it whenever they do different stuff and kind of think outside the box. This is one of those. I love the stickers that they put in here. Again, give it to your kids, whatever, occupy them for a little bit, put it on MacBooks, whatever you guys want to do, work laptops, whatever. But in my opinion, just not worth $230 or $252 after taxes. Just not worth that at all. I just think at the end of the day, this is a really cool sneaker. A lot of thought went into this. The little details and stuff are cool, but just nah. I think this is going to be a major pass. I think these are going to sit. I think these are going to go on sale. And when you have like Flint 13s coming out, Space Jam 9s coming out, Tour Yellow 4s coming out, that are all way better than this shoe, I think that's what's going to kill this shoe. If they would have released it in a slower time like June or something like that and just kind of pushed it up a month or two, I think maybe that could have helped, or put this at the beginning of the year when it was super slow, could have helped as well. But in my opinion, these things are nice, just not a must cop, just not something that I 100% have to have in my collection. But again, that's my opinion. Some of you guys may have to have it, and if you do, if you like it, I love it. That's how it is. That's how it always will be. I try to make sure you guys always know this is just my opinion. If you guys like it, then 100% cop it. But make sure you guys are getting it for under retail. Use your coupons, because you do not want to pay $250 for these. I'm gonna be honest. Do not want to pay $250 for these. Let me know in the comment section down below if this is a shoe you guys are looking to pick up. Is it one you guys are gonna let sit? Are you gonna pick it up on sale? Let me know what you're gonna do. Or if you're gonna pick it up for your significant other or daughter or kids or whatever you guys are going to do, because in my opinion, this is a great kids shoe. Just kind of surprised that they're releasing in adult sizes as well. I thought this would be like a really cool GS only release, but again, Nike's going to do what they want to do. Again, way above my pay grade. They know what they're doing. I don't know. So again, that's just my opinion though. This is one I think is a big pass. Again, love you guys, appreciate y'all. Thank you guys absolutely for everything. Got some more videos coming for you guys here shortly, so again, stay tuned for that as well. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. I love you guys, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for absolutely everything, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.